Ilang days ba ang processing and releasing ng Provident Benefit Claim ni Pag-ibig? Answer, unang-una friends, ano ba ang mga Provident Benefit Claim ni Pag-ibig? Number one, membership maturity or 20 years member po tayo ni Pag-ibig. Number two, permanent departure from the country. Number three, disability. Number four, insanity. Number five, age 60. And number six, death of a member. So lahat ng grounds na ito, 6 grounds, pwede po makuha ang pondo natin sa Pag-ibig. Ang tawag niyan is Provident Benefit Claim. Also, if 15 years member po tayo, pwede rin natin makuha ang pondo natin. Ang tawag niyan is partial withdrawal. Provided wala kang gaps o wala kang putol na contribution within 15 years at wala kang existing loan, pwede rin siya makuha. Pero ang tanong, ilang days ba ang processing and releasing sa benefit na ito ni Pag-ibig? Answer po, within 20 working days po. Yes, ma'am and sir. 20 working days. So ano ba ang working days? Magkaiba yan siya sa calendar days. Ang working days, ma'am and sir, it exclude Saturday and Sunday and holiday. So ang makount lang yan within the week is Monday to Friday, meaning 5 days a week. So kung may holiday po niyan sa week na yan, na 1 day, 4 days na lang po. So after that, next week, another 5 working days, Monday to Friday. So i-count yan siya. Lahat ng working days po, i-count yan. 20 working days lang po ang processing and releasing ni Pag-ibig sa Provident Benefit Claim if walang problema yung record ni member. Ayan po. When you say within 20 working days, possible 10 working days, 15 working days, basta po maximum of 20 working days. Ayan po. Processing na yan siya and at the same time releasing. Yes po, releasing po kasi cheque po yan. Hindi po yan siya credited to your loyalty card or cash card. Cheque po yan sir or ma'am. Land bank check po yan. Encashable sa land bank po. Ayan po. Normally po ma'am and sir, mag-text po si Pag-ibig or yung check release controller pag may cheque na po tayo. Importante, maglagay kayo ng contact number, cellphone number sa application form po ninyo. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question. Keep watching my channel. Lahat ng mga good questions, bigyan natin ng good answer po. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.